Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the best 3D printers under $700. These unique printers are especially for users looking for a quality product on a budget. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and are ideal for any project. And with that in mind, we have put together a list of the best 3D printers under $700. We all know that a 3D printer is a must-have item in today's world, and this list should help you find the right one for your needs. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printers under $700. The output of each 3D printer will vary from one to the next, but in general, you can expect quality results from each of them. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FAYYA Z9V5 PRO Malawian Kwacha's 3D printer. The FAYYA Z9V5 PRO Malawian Kwacha's upgraded 3D printer is an absolute game changer in 3D printing. This extraordinary machine brings your creations to life with its cutting-edge features, all at an unbeatable price of under $700. Prepare for a mind-blowing printing experience that will take your imagination to new heights. With its 4 extruder modules and 4-in-1-out hot end, this printer offers an astonishing array of possibilities. The one-button switching mode effortlessly transforms monochrome prints into vibrant multicolor masterpieces, making your creations stand out. Assembling this printer is an absolute breeze. Thanks to its modular design, it's 70% pre-assembled, and swapping wires in and out of the extruders is a piece of cake. No more tedious setup processes or complicated tinkering. Just pure, unadulterated printing pleasure. The FAYYA Z9V5 PRO Malawian Kwacha's boasts a new user interface and fast automatic leveling. With its crystal-clear 4.3-inch TFT-LCD screen, operating this marvel is a breeze. And with a spacious printing size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, you can bring your visions to life on a grand scale. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.